So my wife and I bought this place. It's about 2 3/4 acres or whatever. About 4 or 5 months ago. We love it. It's great. And as you can see, the yard is fantastic and it looks great because previous owners really took care of this place. They honestly, truly did. Or did they? So let's walk a little bit in the pristine woods to the side of the house. And you'll notice our pristineness kind of disappears. We've got a boat, we've got a trailer, and we've got all sorts of stuff. Truth is, they kind of use this spot to the side as sort of a waste ground. Now, to be honest, perfectly honest, we saw this when we looked at the property. So this wasn't one of those, oh my God, what did they do? And we're absolutely fine with what they did. But for your IT organization, how much of this stuff do you have hiding in the wings? What I mean by that is for those of you who are responsible for internal IT, do you have your areas where hopefully nobody comes looking? Now, in some cases, it can be not that huge of a deal. We've accumulated a bunch of computers. We haven't thrown them out yet, but we're not using them anymore. That kind of thing. Other cases, though, shortcuts for security, not really enforcing the security protocols you should be. That might be hidden from your boss, but it's probably not hidden well enough from the bad guys. So what are you going to do? Spring cleaning? Maybe that's not such a bad idea. Well, at least I know where I'm going to sleep when Julie's not happy with me. So what are you going to do for your IT spring cleaning? If you need some help, let me know. Comments below.